What's up, mini truckers? Ben here at US Mini Trucks. Everybody on YouTube, hope you're doing good. Stay safe. We're just reviewing about a 1-year review of my little compressor. It's been working really good. I kind of end up marking where about 100 is here. And then I put a little satchel on the side and I can carry some of my stuff. What got me looking into the reviews was just the weight of this thing. So if you saw my other video, it'd be nice if I could just lift this up and carry it with me and put air in the tires, but I end up having to drag it. And it does have wheels. The problem, the wheels are not really designed for going off-road. So when I lean it forward, let me show you this. See, that piece kind of starts hitting and it'll get caught up on rocks, and you can't really put any bigger tires here because there's no clearance. So it got me looking for a new compressor, and I'm looking for like a style like this, something super quiet, or a pancake style, but also a little more portable. So this is like a I think they call it a workstation. And it's good for if you're in a construction site. I mean, this thing is really tough. You've got the steel frame, but it's, for the way I'm using it, it's pretty tough to maneuver around. So hopefully this helps. I've got some sound clips in the video coming up. Just go ahead and see what you think, and then wear that ear protection. I wish I would have got this compressor a long time ago. So it's one of those things, once you have it, you're like, man, how did I even function before? So hopefully this helps. Hope everybody's having a good morning. I don't really use much air tools, but I do blow off the engines quite a bit. I started converting over to electric tools, so I've got an electric impact and electric ratchet. But I just picked up this new score. This is my old compressor. Cover your ears. Pretty loud. You really can't hear people when they're talking. So I got this new one. It's a little bit smaller. It's only this is a 6 gallon, and this is a 4.5 or a 4.6 gallon. But it has 175 psi max, where this one is only 150. Just let me show you how much quieter it is though. So you pull this. Way quieter, so you can hear me talking actually. It's like comfortable. I'm super looking forward to actually using this thing, because this other one just started getting me. You can't even really think when that thing is on. So the way they do it, they put like these motors, and I guess they muffle them. We'll see how much louder it gets when it starts having to really crank out the PSI. Some of the other nice features on it, like on this one, you see how it's got the drain, and it's just like a threaded drain. So this one has got like a petcock actually. Just use that. This is the first time I've ever filled the tank. I did run it for 10 minutes yesterday with the petcock open. So just get a good test. It's getting up there. It's got to go to 175, and then it'll automatically turn off. It's going through about 140 now. And what I'll do is I'll flip this one back on when this one shuts off. But I'm looking forward to it. stuck on those good vibes. Hopefully be a little more relaxing. You can see I've got neighbors everywhere, so I kind of want to be as respectful as possible. Oh, somebody's at the door. You can hear the doorbell. It's probably my son. He's the only one crazy enough to ring it like that. Alright, so that's that one. Let me bring that up. Much louder, huh? The other thing I'm not really liking about it is the weight. Like this one's probably like 40 pounds, that one's like 70 pounds, so pretty heavy. I don't know, I haven't really figured out a good way to carry it yet. It's got the handle, but you're not supposed to lift it with the handle. You're just supposed to wheel it. It does have wheels, which is nice, but what I need to do is get it out of here and then just work on the trucks there. So this one's nice, and I put this super short handle on it. So I'll show you how I generally will use it. I'll just grab this and just take it outside. Like that. I would use it, spray whatever I need to spray, carburetor, engine area, throttle body, and then put it back. This thing even rolls up real nice, so it looks a little cleaner and doesn't get all in your way. Alright, hopefully that helps. I'll show you this. Try to do it with one hand. So that's that. That's this one. This one was $199 plus tax, so about $215. This one was about $149 with a couple nail guns. So I've been happy with it. I mean, it's held up really good. I've done a lot of work with this, but it's just the noise is kind of getting me crazy. So hopefully you can enjoy that, learn a little bit of something. Hopefully some of the non-mini truckers just watch the review, but I'm pretty happy with it. Loud. Man, I don't miss this thing. I can still hear a little bit, but you can see I'm pretty well whispering. Go right back up. So 175 psi. There is a calculation you can use with like gallons times psi, and then get that number, because you'll see some of them might have more gallons, but if they're only 125 psi, you know, like 7 gallons at 125 psi might be the same as 6 gallons at 175 psi. So we'll see. Let me show you if I can wheel it around. So it's got a little cord here, cord holder. Do that, and then you just wheel it like this, and it tilts down. The handle comes out. I have it a little bit shallow. This is what I was saying. I guess it's rolling there. It's probably more my brakes being uneven than the problem with the actual compressor. It just seems pretty good, but